Welcome to Money Talk with Alex, where we demonstrate the most straightforward way of making money online. Today, I'll be showing you something on WhatsApp. It was so shocking to me when I was trying to show one of my friends something on my WhatsApp, and it was like, hey, why is your WhatsApp screen black and mine is white? So I was so surprised, like, is there anything so special about not getting or not knowing how to set up a black or a dark mode on WhatsApp? So well, I felt like, let me just show it to my subscriber, because a lot of people just like me, I am a big fan of dark mode for my social medias, ranging from WhatsApp, YouTube, and Facebook. So I showed him how to set it, and it's very simple. So let me quickly run through it for you to see. Well, first and foremost, just open your WhatsApp. So just click on this three button here. So come to settings, click on settings, just move down here to your charts. You can see theme, wallpaper, chart, history, and all of that. So just click on it. So you can see it now. Theme, dark. So just click on it. I click on it. You can see it. You can see light. You can see dark. So let me just change my own. Let me just change it to, click on light. You can see it's light now. And if I want it back to the dark mode, I just click on it and click on dark, and I click on OK. I'm back to my dark mode. So that is that to how to get your dark mode on your WhatsApp. Thank you very much. If you find value in this video, please don't forget to turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. And please watch out for how to set up dark mode on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and on Instagram. Thank you. The links will be available in this video.